You can often use the same consistency royal icing for both piping the outline of your cookie and flooding the middle. The icing I have right here is a little bit too thick to do this. This is what is called a ribbon test, where you let the icing fall on top of itself and see how long it takes to disappear. I'm going to add a little bit of water so I can thin it out to get to the right consistency. Just add a little bit at a time so that you don't make it too thin. You can always add more water, and if by chance you make it too thin, then you can add a little bit more powdered sugar. Gonna give it a quick stir and make sure I have the right consistency. I think this looks pretty good. When you have the right consistency icing, you won't have to use a toothpick or any additional tools or shake your cookie to have a smooth finish. Now you can see, when I do the ribbon test again, the icing smoothly disappears back into itself within a few seconds. Now it is ready to go on to my cookie. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to subscribe and/or check out my other videos and my baking and decorating tutorials.